Intergen Sealing Industry. Nice to see you all again. Today, we are presenting the oil cooler gasket fits for Scania Heavy Duty Truck. Let's take a look at it firstly. Here it is. Turn it around. For the next step, it will be the product details of it. Firstly, we talk about the material of itself. It is made of aluminum embedded with the silicone. As you can see, this is the silicone embedded on the gasket, embedded on the whole gasket. So the mold construction is a little bit complicated when we were developing. And another unique feature is the anti-rust oil coated on the gasket, which is totally different from other common gasket made of aluminum. This is just to keep the whole gasket from rusting. Alright, this is all about today's presentation. Oil cooler gasket fits for Scania Heavy Duty Truck. Let me show you again. For more information, please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and don't forget the live stream of this month. It will be next week. We are going to demonstrating the upper and lower side of Perkins 1103. Alright, that's all about it. See you next time. See you.